Imagine it's 1985 and you have never used a computer. Or it's 1995 and you've never heard of the internet. Or it's 2005 and you've never seen a smartphone. Think how important those things have become. Today, artificial intelligence can be used in anything with a battery and is impacting all of our lives at work, at home, at play. And if you're not familiar with what AI is, how it works, or what it can accomplish, you're going to be left behind. This is a moment in time when the people who embrace new tools and methods are going to be much more prepared to get ahead. I'm Jim Sterne. I'm a consultant, co-founder and director emeritus of the Digital Analytics Association, and author of Artificial Intelligence for Marketing. And in this course, I'm going to give you a practical understanding of AI, where you're using it already, how you might use it personally or in business, and how you might even come up with new ways of putting AI to use that others haven't even thought of yet. In this course, I want to prepare you to embrace machine learning in whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is you're going to do. I want you to be the one with the automobile while everyone else is riding horses. I want you to understand this powerful tool called artificial intelligence while others are still scratching their heads. The world keeps changing faster and faster, and once you understand artificial intelligence, you could be one of the people who helps keep the world spinning.